to school today, and Daddy is going to drop me pick me up at school at home because my dad is bad. Because mommy will be happy at me because mommy is so grateful. Mommy is grateful I have me. And Daddy is so good. Tomorrow Daddy is off. But now I'm going home. So Daddy is driving me at home, and it's a good day like that. Bye, Daddy, Mommy. Wow!
I'll make that sound effects again. Say wow.
Wow!
Not like that. You silly. Hey. Wow. Uy. Look at Naya's stash of ice creams. Which one do you like? You want that?
Can you eat that one?
The peanuts?
Yeah.
Okay.
I really want it.
Okay, then go get the fish.
Wait, there's strawberry at it. The
Okay.
chocolate.
We go look for the strawberry. Chocolate?
Chocolate. But the strawberry is there, but I don't like that. I want that one. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Close it. Put back the chair.